What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping well. We're down at Motorsport Performance and I believe we're on vlog number 4 now actually. So yeah, exciting times, and we're gonna go and see what Teddy and Josh, there's a new face to the channel, are up to on this week's vlog. So let's go and check it out. Welcome back to the channel, Teddy. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Good?
Yeah, good.
And we have a new face, but familiar face to the channel. Josh, how are you doing?
Not bad at all.
Welcome to the channel.
Thank you.
So, do you want to guys tell me what is happening behind the scenes at MAP today?
So we've got a 15 convertible Mustang down for a headlight package and some exhaust mods. Yesterday, me and Josh spent most of the day stripping the headlights and building them.
And what that entails is putting them in the oven, getting the permaseal sealant around the headlights nice and soft to pull the lens apart. From that point on, we take away the trims, the shrouds, we paint them black. Satin black is our preference just because it looks a lot more OEM. Whilst everything else is apart, like the projectors, we secure a halo ring around it, which is RGBW, so you can have whatever color you want via a Bluetooth controller, which is this thing here. We'll get a little shot of that. We also put the tri-bars in, which are also RGBW. Unlike the US cars where they have DRLs and indicators in them already, we don't. They're just simply there for show. So the tri-bar LED boards we put in, they give us the desired aesthetic that we want in the UK, as well as some party tricks by changing colours. In addition to all of that, we have the Demon Eye as well. They go behind the projector lenses, and like you would see on a lot of modified cars in the show scene, they simply light up the lenses inside. We also have etched clear lenses in here. We've got our MAP logo in there, but at an extra cost, you can have whatever you want, be it a Mustang pony sign or a Demon Eye, literally. Anything that tickles your fancy, we'll be able to put it in.
Well, yeah, we're excited to see it, and yeah, let's crack on getting these fitted in.
Just getting all the wiring in place. I've got my indicators wired in and my side lights wired in. All I need to do is get my power in. I've got the earth on, just a bit of tidying up, and then we're all done.
So we've got the lights installed, all wired in. Just got to check the work now, make sure they're all working as we want them to, check the colours work, make sure they look good pretty much, and then we can put the bumper on, fit the exhaust, customer's on his way. So this is the app you use to control the headlights. It's really simple. You've got 3 outputs here, so you select which ones you want to change. So that's for tri-bars, deselect that, select the next one. That's for halo, same again, select the third one, and then I've changed the Demon Eye. So, and then you can do whatever you want with them. You can fade them, set the speed so that they're changing colour all the time. That's just on the halo, but you can fade them through, or you can strobe them. So we're flashing. Obviously this isn't advised for use on like main roads. The police are going to do you for this, but when you turn the car on, they come on white anyway, so that is completely fine. So this is really good for your shows and stuff. And then you've also got your themes as well, so you can have preset ones. Nice and easy to connect up as well.
Yeah, so we'll probably end the vlog there. A little bit of behind the scenes of what's happened this week at Motorsport Performance. If you guys want your Mustang with these lights, you know what to do. Get in touch, and we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.
Thanks for watching.